All right, Lady Ada, what is this?
Okay, we're still working on Fruit Jam, and Jepler's been doing a lot of great work to get the Pico Mac 68,000 series, 128, 512 Mac Plus series of old computers emulated on this RP2350. We've got 16 megabytes of flash and 8 megabytes of PSRAM. And this is the DVI output. And then we've got keyboard and mouse. And one of the things I worked on today a little bit is, last time we showed you the keyboard and mouse is working. So it's like, let's try loading some games. So for example, or programs. So this is Mac Paint. Now you might notice it's actually bigger, like if you come out a little bit. That's because we have it doing 640 by 480, so it takes up the whole screen. But Mac Paint does not know about 640 by 480. It thinks it's like 584 by 384, but like the ROM, the operating system still runs. It's just like the programs don't know about it. So yeah, you can like do like Mac Paint, and you can use the little spray paint tool. I had a lot of fun with this. This was great. You have like the patterns. This was my favorite one. Let's see if I can do a little filled square. Yeah, now we're talking. That's some Mac Paint goodies. Fat bits. Remember that? Yeah, fat bits. Brush pen. It's just like a really cool thing. You got the standard fonts that you love. Helvetica, Chicago. So that's all good. Thank you to Bill Atkinson. Really an amazing developer. Okay. We're not going to save yet. And then some other things. I also got Load Runner. I played this game so much as a kid. So let's start a game. And you can use the keyboard controls, and it's like ASDF, sorry, G. Okay, so you go, they go, and then, okay, and then, yeah, okay, get that money. Get that money, and then we go up. Oh, no, this is up. Okay, so it's HJKLI and then S and F for controls. Okay, so that's that game. So I played a little bit just for retro. Let's quit this game. And then, oh yeah, it's like, whoa, that's cool. I crashed. See, that's the classic Mac experience. I need to get the two buttons, like one for the weird debug and one for the reset. We can reset into your Senator Mac. Let's let it boot. Normally we'll be making beep sounds. We'll get the audio working soon. And then lastly, okay, so I'm trying to get After Dark working. I'm going to do that shortly. But next up was Shuffle Puck Cafe. This game is so hard. Does anyone else remember how hard this game was? You're like, oh, I want to play against the robot. And it's like, oh, this isn't so bad. And then like you have like the witch and like the pig guy, and then before you know it, you're just getting your ass kicked. Let's see. So yeah, she like did this like cool levitating thing. She like controlled it with her eyes. So one thing that's a problem is the mouse support is a little flaky. Like the mouse does work, but you can't move very quickly. We have to like increase the speed of the IRQs for the mouse reads. Wait, one second. But it does work. We just have to like improve the quality of it. And another thing you'll notice is this is a little like a dark gray, non-actual black. And that's because of the way the HSTX peripheral, it expands the 1-bit buffer into 32 bits or 24 bits or 16 bits. So we can probably fix that. But so far so good, like mouse, keyboard, playing games. And this is still on the, this right now is still running on the 6800 with 400K. So I'm using the internal RAM, SRAM on here. So the next step would be to get the SRAM going, right? Because the SRAM we have 8 megabytes. If we have 8 megabytes of RAM, now we're talking Mac Plus with 4 megabytes, we can run PageMaker, System 6, HyperCard. So we'll be doing that soon.
That was a cool demo.
Cool demo.
Good work.